Hello, hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. Today is the first week of December, and it's actually December 8th, and we filmed our entire inventory here at Kelly Hicks Construction. We only have a couple 2019s left, and this Woodland Park happens to be one of them. Woodland Park, an obsession for quality since 1983. Visit them at woodlandpark.com. Well, that's a Woodland Park. Looks like a pretty cool trailer. I think we should go check it out and let you make your own decision. Pretty cool. I like the colors. I like the floor plan. It just needs a new home. This is a 2019 Woodland Park Timber Ridge, model 252L. MSRP's in the high 80s. You can buy it for much less than that from me. Check out the flooring. It's got the ceramic tile style flooring for the entire main floor. How cool is that? I mean, that is just downright cool. And then it's got a movable island, which is awesome. Put the island wherever you want it. If you don't like it, get rid of it and get a table. Nice rocker recliner there. Sleeper sofa. Great view out the front. That looks to be about a 20-foot bay window. If this was a quail ridge, I would call it our super bay, because all these companies copy off of each other. But anyhow, you can only slice and dice a 400 square foot floor plan so many ways, and they'll be the first one to tell you that. But anyhow, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, stainless steel sink, got dimmers on a lot of the LED lights. Definitely lots of LEDs in here. Nice and bright, cheery, cheerful. Makes you happy to be in here. Got blinds on all the windows. Nice big openness. You could definitely have a good view if you had anything to look at. Got lots of nice cabinets with adjustable shelving in them. Self-closing hinges, soft close. Bathroom is really nice. It really is. Look at this vanity. You got I see we have a piece of metal that came off that's supposed to hold it in. There we go. You got a shower. You got towel closet, linen closet, anything closet. Big closet here. House type rear entry door. Once you get up into the mega thousands, you definitely want a house type rear entry door. Back when these used to cost $30,000, it really didn't matter, but nowadays, I'm going to say, if you need a park model, you probably will appreciate the house type rear entry door. These come fully furnished. Everything in them stays in them. Look at all the cabinets in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 drawers. A dozen doors. I mean, that is a lot of space. Lot of space. Okay. Let's head upstairs. Look at the couple lofts we got. It's a drop loft, so the back is taller. A lot of people prefer these that step down into the master bedroom because you get a 5-foot rear loft. Got your own auxiliary air conditioner here. There's your entertainment center. And I would say that's about a queen size loft. It's about about the size of a queen size mattress. Nice LED lighting all around in here. Carpet in the loft and master bedroom only. Well, this is my last trailer I'm filming today. We got one more coming tomorrow, and that'll be it until spring. So I hope you all enjoy your holidays. Hope you enjoyed my videos as much as I enjoy making them. This is, like I say, a really cool trailer. This is brand new. We are not a Woodland Park dealer, but I happened to buy one from a Woodland Park dealer that didn't want to sell trailers anymore. So that's how it came to be. And I like this trailer. I gotta tell you, I'll like it more when one of you folks own it. But until then, I guess I'll keep taking pictures of it and keep telling people to call Kelly at 815-849-9089 if you want one of these. Have a great day. And if you like my video, feel free to leave me a comment. And if you don't like it, feel free to leave me a negative comment. Have a great day.